Okay, so this is my problem. I don't know what the fuck is going on here, but I took the two doorknobs out, and as you can see, the latch that latches onto the side of the house, it's not moving. I don't know if it's something broken in there or what the deal is. And this all happened because the doorknob, every time I turn it every other way, it doesn't pull this latch out, and I think it's stuck, and right in between this little area where I can't see what's going on in there isn't pulling this guy out to open the door, and so I can't get this freaking door open because this guy's still in there. I've tried everything. Kinda looks like something is broken in there, so I have no clue how to get this guy to come back to get the door open. So I'm thinking might have to take this door out, but I don't know how to do that with this guy stuck in there. So if anybody has any idea how to get that out without damaging it, write down on the comments, and it will definitely be appreciated because it's 20 degrees outside, and yeah, I tried everything. I tried a flathead to stick around with it, try to poke it out, but this guy right here is stuck in there. I don't know what's keeping it stuck. I turned the knob and it's just not pulling it out. So I'm going to try to eventually take out the door itself, and hopefully I don't damage anything in between this door. But I've never seen anything like this before. If anybody has any idea, please comment it in the comments below, and please give me some pointers because I'm fresh out of ideas. Thank you.